أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب وصدته الأماني أن يتوب.
दारुल वक्फ देवबंद के उस्ताद मोहतरम मौलाना जमशेद आदिल कासमी साहब अंग्रेज़ी में अपना मकाला पेश करने के लिए तशरीफ़ ला रहे हैं। हज़रत ख़तीबुल इस्लाम और आपकी तालीमी सरगर्मियाँ।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Distinguished President of the International Seminar, prominent guests, noted scholars and other dignitaries sitting on the stage and in the hall. Today, as I am going to read out the theme of my paper on academic works of Khatibul Islam, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Salim Sahib Qasmi, rahmatullahi alayh, I am saddened again with the recollection of the demise of the legendary cleric. His departure has left an indelible imprint of sorrow upon my heart, which seems never to be erased off. May Allah rest his soul in Eden and rehabilitate us with good patience and fresh energy. Academic works. Among his religious and institutional services, the foundation and consolidation of Darul Waqf Deoband is extremely significant and fruitful. The time witnessed how profitable and timely this move was, and how successful this great institute is to root out illiteracy and ignorance. During his directorship of Darul Waqf Deoband, besides introducing specialization courses such as Ifta, Tafsir, specialization in Hadith and Arabic literature departments, he established Hujjatul Islam Academy, that is a very active and productive unit of the Jamia, under which 3 departments are working: Department of Research and Study, Department of Computer, and Department of English Language. Here, in conclusion, I would like to say that being the great-grandson of Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nanotwi, Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Salim Qasmi Sahib knew well how to preserve his ancestral assets of knowledge and reputation. He was custodian of his ancestral legacy. He did his part. Now there are others from the same family trying to carry forward his academic, social, and historical legacy. I'm sure they will do justice with that and carry on his selfless services due to the shared qualities they are born with and the same spirit bestowed by Allah in the members of his family. May the Almighty grant him an exalted place in Jannah and fill the vacuum with a man of his caliber from among his family. Ameen. By Jamshed Adil Qasmi, lecturer of Darul Waqf Deoband.
أنا العبد الذي كسب